Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Kid Gardener, and this is an update to the aerogarden bounty that I had set up. And it's been 8 days, and so I'll show you the progress. So we're going to take the little caps off because I put 2 seeds per pod. I'm going to thin this one out. See, we've got 2 seeds per pod, so that one had good germination. Put these on top of it for now. This one still has this little seed head off. I'll pull off in a minute. This one had good germination. So if I recall, these were the tomatoes. I still haven't got my markers yet. I have to go back and look at it and see what everything is. These I believe are all the peppers. So we got good germination there. The 2 has this little hat on. I'll do that with the tweezers afterwards so I don't kill it. Got germination there. This one I'll just let grow, but there is germination. This one it's germinating, but it's not quite there yet. And the same with this. And the peppers always take longer than the tomatoes. I always expect the tomatoes to be up first. And sometimes peppers can take as long as a month to germinate, but I'm really quite pleased. Everything looks good. Got really decent germination going on here. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with the update here. So yeah, pretty cool. So there's my kit. And there's the results. Pretty cool. And I think I'll just show you quickly. Be right back. I need to clean off the top of this. It's a mess. But here's my monkey face pepper that I trimmed way down. I already got new flowers, and I believe there's like 1 or 2 little baby peppers growing there. Let's update on that. Here's my leisure pepper. Gotta harvest these so that these ones can get the energy to ripen up good. Got another one over here. And then there's the other monkey face pepper. It's kind of just recovering after I cut it way back. It didn't bush out like the other one, but it does look much denser, so we'll see. I'm just going to let that do its thing. And this right here is a Paul Robeson tomato that I had took a cutting off of, and I thought was dead. I saw a little bit of green, so I just stuck it into a pod, and it looks like it's actually starting to maybe produce some flowers. So that's pretty weird. Little teeny fella. Kind of cool. We'll see what that does. Next to that, I learned a lesson here is that I was having powdery mildew issues on this unit before, and I think it's because of the wall. So I'm going to, because I mean, look at how bad this plant looks. But the peppers are still producing on it. But I'm going to completely wipe this wall down as best as I can and clean this unit out, of course. I got another couple, well, I got several units I got to clean and set up. I'm going to wipe this wall down, and then I'm going to put something that isn't subjected to powdery mildew just to be safe against this wall. So it's either the wall or maybe it's an issue with the fan. Maybe the fan needs to be cleaned. We'll see. But the fan's blowing directly on this, and this doesn't have any powdery mildew in this area. So yeah. So lesson learned. So I'll probably just grow some broccoli rabe or something on that wall there. And yeah. So that's what's going on right now. My beautiful leisure pepper needs to be harvested and used. It's New Year's Eve, but I'm going to probably for my last treat for New Year's, I'll probably have a pizza, and I'll cut up this pepper and put some fresh pepper on top of the pizza for New Year's Eve party. So awesome! Yay!